This narration describes an incident involving Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha, and Hazrat Safiya radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Once Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was displeased with Hazrat Safiya radiyallahu ta'ala anha, and she approached Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha, asking her to intervene and make Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam pleased with her. Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha agreed and offered her turn to Hazrat Safiya radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Hazrat Safiya radiyallahu ta'ala anha then took a piece of cloth, colored it with saffron, and sprinkled water on it to spread its fragrance. She approached Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who was sitting, and sat beside him. However, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam requested Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha to move back, saying that it was not her turn that day. Hazrat Safiya radiyallahu ta'ala anha expressed her gratitude, attributing the reconciliation to the grace of Allah. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam listened to the entire account and became pleased with Hazrat Safiya radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23543.